whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there? Last thing you said, sorry if it's too late.
Hi guys! So recently Pete got a 3D printer. We're having so much fun with this thing. We've been printing things from fandom, little knickknacks, to cosplay accessories. Today, I'm going to be painting one of the things Pete printed for me. I had him print the YouTube play button, but we did a little customization to it. I had him put Random Life Adventures, which is my theme here on my channel. That's what we're all about, because, you know, life is random and we do normally adventures. Just the last month and a half has been a little different because we're social distancing and staying inside. But anyway, we're still having adventures, just on the inside. I also had him put my channel link on it. Today I'm going to paint this guy. We're going to do a little scene, you know, the little triangle that you push, the little play button itself. I'm going to paint the mountain that you always see at the beginning of all my videos, because that's kind of my channel art, my theme here. It's a video clip that I took up at Mount Hood, John's Red Viewpoint. I went up there a few years ago during sunrise, pardon me, and I love it. So I'm going to paint the little mountain. We did a painting of the mountain a couple weeks ago when I put together a palette out of paint sticks. I'm going to try to paint that same image, but teeny tiny. So here is the play button with my channel name and all that. This is it before I paint it. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I'm going to switch to GoPro. We're going to time-lapse painting this. It's going to take several hours because I got to do it in stages. So I'm going to paint like the basic red part. Got to wait for that to dry because to get into the little square or the triangle in the center, my hand's going to end up rubbing against the red. So I have to make sure the red is fully dry before I can go into the triangle to paint my scene. And then once that's all dry, I'm going to seal it up with Mod Podge. It's a nice top coat, clear gloss to seal it in. And then after that's all dry, I'm going to come to the back and hot glue on a little sawtooth hanging thing so I can put it on the wall. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see the finished piece. So let's time lapse.
Will you always be there?
Many hours later, I am done. It's still a little wet, tacky in some spots, but for the most part it's finished, so I'm going to show you guys. Here's the channel art play button. It turned out really good. Once it dries, you'll be able to see the lettering a lot better, because right now there's some of the Mod Podge in there and it'll dry clear. And then on the back I hot glued a little sawtooth so I could hang it on the wall. I'm very happy with how it turned out. This was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video painting this, the time lapse and all of that good stuff. I will definitely be doing more painting of 3D printed stuff because I have a bunch more things that I want to get printed. I'm going to be doing some cosplay accessories here really soon. I'm going to let you guys go about your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.